Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. It's MotoJack, and you are here for another weekly vlog. And today we are going to be doing a spirited ride, and we're going to take you along. So let's do it. All right. So when you're group riding, one of the first things you're going to do, obviously, is go meet the other people that you're riding with. Typically, there's a meetup time, and then a KSU, which kickstands up at a second time. You know, whatever that might look like, but it's going to give everybody time to kind of get there, get settled, and go over the kind of ride that it's going to be and where you're going. She was riding the R7 a little bit, so cool. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna stick towards the back of the pack here. Some of these guys are super fast. Aprilia 660 RR. We got a KTM 1290, so we got some pretty fast motorcycles here. And I know some of the people in the front can really ride those motorcycles. 3 of them go to track days a lot, so it's important when you are group riding to not only know your own skill level and ride at that skill level, but know your place in the line too. Before I go anywhere towards the front, I want to see how they ride. One of the things that you'll see whenever you're riding in a pack is, especially on 2-lane roads, one going each way, and there's no passing and it's a little curvier, you can end up getting blocked up like we are here with a couple cars. A couple people in the front, maybe they have an opportunity to go out and around, but then you leave the 2, the 3, maybe 4 people behind, so then they have to look for an opportunity. So all it does is split everybody up into 2 different groups, and that's not what you want either, especially whenever you're all trying to stick together and get to one place. This section here is supposed to be a little faster. We're supposed to be able to kind of take these roads a little quicker. We're not going terribly slow, but I know it's definitely slower than what these guys in the front want to be doing. Look at the beautiful day. If this was a Sunday morning, you would think there would be less traffic. If it's a Monday morning, you'd think there'd be more traffic. In fact, it doesn't matter. It's all the same. There's just always traffic. Etiquette, ride staggered, keep everybody close together if you can, but at your skill level, and then into a turn, get into more of a single file line. Outside, we're looking through the turn, watching everybody up there, looking through the turn, stick on that throttle, same place, inside and all the way through. About to get home here. We rode all the way out to the middle of the state, got some breakfast, had a nice ride. You know, the number one thing with group rides is riding your own ride and making sure that you're riding to your own skill level. One of the best parts about riding motorcycles is sharing the passion with other people, right? The community, the camaraderie, etc. So group riding is a huge part of that. So regardless, hope you enjoyed. It's a beautiful day. We took a nice little trip. That's it for this week's vlog. And if you're new around here, I hope you enjoyed enough to stay, and we'll see you on the next one.